Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're going through a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples when they were on earth. So come with me, build your faith, and if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 9 from verse 18 to verse 26. When Jesus did so as said in there, all of a sudden, one leader for the Jew them church go down upon him knee in front of him. Him said to Jesus, say, "My daughter dead just a while ago, but come, put your hand upon her, and she will come back alive." And Jesus and him follower them get up and follow him. Now, one woman we did a suffer and a bleed for 12 years come up back at him and touch the tail line clothes. She did say to herself, say, "If I could have uncle touching clothes, may we get better." But when Jesus turned round and see her, him say, "No fret, daughter, cause you believe in me, you are right now." And from that time there, the woman did better. When Jesus go in at the leader house and see the people them we play the flute and the crowd of people them are all and go on, him say to them, say, "The whole of you come out. Come out. The pitney not dead. Asleep, she asleep." And the people them start laugh at him. But when they make the crowd of people go out a door, Jesus go inside and him take the pitney on, and the girl pitney get up. And that news there spread all over that area there. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.